Operation Moondust, classified UFO retrievals. In the shadowy corridors of classified military programs, where secrecy reigns supreme, lies one of the most enigmatic operations ever undertaken by the United States government, Operation Moondust. While the public believed NASA's primary mission was to explore the stars, a covert branch of the U.S. military was tasked with something far more extraordinary: recovering and analyzing objects of unknown origin that had fallen to Earth. These objects weren't just fragments of satellites or space debris. Many of them were unidentified flying objects, UFOs, whose technology defied explanation. The origins of Operation Moondust trace back to the early 1950s, a time when UFO sightings had captured the world's attention. Roswell was still fresh in the public's memory, and whispers of crashed alien craft echoed through classified government channels. But what most people don't know is that Roswell was just the beginning. As the Cold War escalated, the U.S. government grew increasingly concerned that unidentified aerial phenomena could be a threat not just to national security, but to global stability. That's when Operation Moondust was born, a top-secret program with a singular mission: retrieve, analyze, and conceal evidence of extraterrestrial technology. Moondust operatives were stationed across the globe, ready to respond at a moment's notice. When reports of strange objects falling from the sky surfaced, whether in remote deserts or dense jungles, Moondust teams were deployed. These elite recovery units operated under a veil of secrecy, often masquerading as scientific research teams or military cleanup crews. Their orders were clear: secure the objects, transport them to classified facilities, and ensure that the public never learned the truth. One of the most chilling cases occurred in 1965, when a mysterious object crash-landed in Kecksburg, Pennsylvania. Witnesses described seeing a glowing, acorn-shaped object streaking through the sky before it came to rest in a wooded area. Within hours, military personnel had cordoned off the site, and Moondust operatives were on the scene. Locals reported seeing a massive, covered object being transported out of the area under heavy guard. Officially, the government claimed it was a meteor. But those who saw the object knew it was something far more advanced, something not of this world. Similar incidents unfolded across the globe. In Bolivia, in 1978, a metallic object crashed into a remote region, prompting a rapid response from U.S. forces under the guise of diplomatic assistance. Locals who witnessed the recovery operation described seeing an object that pulsed with an eerie blue light, an object that was quickly whisked away and never seen again. Another event, buried deep in classified files, occurred in the deserts of Saudi Arabia, where a cylindrical craft was recovered intact. Analysts who examined the object concluded that its propulsion system was unlike anything known to modern science. The true extent of Operation Moondust's activities remained hidden for decades. Documents leaked in the 1990s hinted at the program's existence, but they barely scratched the surface. Declassified memos revealed that Moondust had recovered non-Earth objects that displayed capabilities beyond human comprehension. But the most shocking revelation came from insiders who spoke anonymously, claiming that some of the recovered craft weren't just unmanned probes. They contained biological entities, beings whose origins remained a terrifying mystery. As the years passed, Moondust's mission expanded. The program's focus shifted from mere recovery to reverse engineering. Deep within classified laboratories, scientists worked tirelessly to unlock the secrets of these alien technologies. Their breakthroughs led to advancements in materials science, propulsion systems, and even stealth technology. But for every breakthrough, there were more questions. Where were these objects coming from? And more importantly, why were they here? In recent years, as public interest in UFOs has surged, the government has been forced to acknowledge the existence of unidentified aerial phenomena. But what they haven't revealed is that Operation Moondust never ended. It evolved. Today, its operations continue under different names and new code names, with the same mission: protect humanity from a truth too dangerous to disclose. As the skies continue to reveal their secrets, one thing is certain. Operation Moondust has seen things that defy belief. And while the world may never know the full extent of what lies hidden in classified vaults, the truth is out there, waiting, watching, and perhaps preparing. The real question isn't whether we're alone. It's whether those who've been watching us from the shadows are ready to make their presence known. And when they do, will humanity be prepared for what comes next?